So yesterday we talked about the basic configuration and administration and some other parts related to navigations. And in navigations we gone through the list search and how to sorting and those things into your the last class, correct? So in that we also saw some part of banner logo configurations, correct? Some basic system configurations where we can see the profile, the user profile. We saw that how to change the scope of applications, whatever the application on that basis of what the other scopes are there, and how we can make those changes, how to just select the update sets, correct? So those things we have covered on the last class, correct? So just I'm recapping the all the topics so that people will aware about it, what we have covered and what we are going to process for the next. So today, whatever the pending topic in basic configuration and administration, so color changes, some kind of things. So we will talk about those things, and then after we will move into the user administration, where we will see we will see user administration, groups, roles, user related, those things we will going to cover on the today's call, as well as the related tables, which user roles are related, how the user group roles are connected, how the user groups are connected. So we will cover those topics on today's session, correct? So yeah, let's get into the explanation. Okay, so we have this. So if you see that yesterday I have updated that to my logo, so it's my pick, so you can change it anything. So on the same way, let's see what the things we have did it. So see that whatever I yesterday I did it, so I can see on the history whatever the action items. So if we are updating this some kind of data updation, so it won't uh, it won't capture into the history, but whatever the configuration, whatever the navigation I did it, and whatever the records I opened, so those can be we can see into the history. Okay. Okay, the favorites already there. So again, so basic configuration, it's basic configuration UI16, correct? So I have named it Gaurav instance, correct? It's my tab browser tab, correct? So you can see my tab, as well as if I hover on the logo, then it will show my tab Gaurav instance, correct? Whatever the changes I made it, page header caption, as well as my tab browser tab title, correct? I am hovering and it's appearing this. So I'll give you the one some common uh, best practices. So what will happen? So sometimes you updated the your name and everything over there, and it won't appear. So sometime what happen, uh, your browser cache memory, that all the data has been captured, and it retrieve again and again the same data, correct? Same way that you have updated, but it won't appear, no, it's showing the previous one. So you have to refresh it. If it won't, then you have to close the whole browser and again re-login into your instance. In it's still it will not appear. Just clear your browser history, cache memory, and all. So you will definitely you will get those changes in appearance, correct? So same for any user who will mention that, hey Gaurav, I am not able to see my any changes into my instance as per your communication, correct? So we will check it out, what the things are there. such things would be there. So definitely you can check it out. Multiple persons, multiple peoples. If the same issues are open, so we have to follow some process, correct? For this, uh, it will be a resay. We will ask to make the changes into their browsers or like near the cache memory and so on. We have to mention those points, correct? And here the list of like some normal changes, correct? So we can make this so system or user unless overridden in the user record. So if we can configure these timing formats and list of the things are there. So you can make those changes. Okay. Okay, these are the system configurations. Now going to the this ones. So basic thing on here on the system configuration, it's a basic thing, logo, color, and basic changes would be there, correct? Okay, so here we have made the changes. Always remember these are the two options under the system properties. We have to jump over, we have to open that too, and then we have to make those changes, correct? So in other way around, we have multiple ways to make those changes, but what the standard way, we will follow the same thing. So here we can make those changes. Let's see, like what will be the outcomes. Even I don't know. Let's see. I'm choosing that too. Okay. Okay. Let's see. What will be the outcome? And sometimes what happen, it will take time to update it. Sometimes your server's getting down or something happen. Correct on the ServiceNow side, it's not updated. It will take time, some 10 minutes, it will take time to more than that. So you have to wait for some instance. Okay, I refreshed it. Still, it's not showing. You can see it. Even in the pop-up message, it appears. Okay, come on. Copy this and paste it and do the changes. It's still not making any changes, correct? You can see everything is as it is because I have made the changes. If you see that on the header divided strips navigation header, you can read it out like no. After making these changes, where it going to be appear, correct? So header background, it should be appear. Header divided strip color, it should be appear, correct? I'll change it to something else, but it won't appear, correct? Some time or some your cache memory have captured those data. That's why it's not appearing. And definitely it will appear. It will take time. Okay, still it's not appearing. Let's try again. Still it's not. That is a challenge. Sure. Let's try with incognito mode. Definitely, guys, try at your end also. Like, if it's appear, then it would be fine. Just I want to show you, like, whatever the changes I made it, so it will be really those changes I can show you guys, but it's not appearing. Come on, hmm, changes. It's still not appearing. So it will take time, or I have to restart my browser and everything. Come on, okay, let's see if it's appear. It's still not appearing. Correct. So okay, so might be some cache issue. Make it make sure like no, for everyone is the same result. Okay, still not appearing. So it takes some time. We can check it out later on. Okay, because it's not taking up that you can say that it not taking the load the configuration on the whatever the changes we have made. Otherwise, the whatever the color we have selected and everything, it should appear. Correct. So that is also a big deal. So we have to chase with these kind of challenges at the time of whenever you are getting into the such kind of issues. Just be patient. Like no, sometimes it happened, so you have to be very conscious or like no, do not hectic. Like no, it's not working. It's not doing what happened. It's a browser thing, correct? So I'm just changing out anyhow it's appeared so that I can show you guys. Lots of- Anything would be appear, then it will be easy for us to show you. It's what like no, you can see the in okay, themes on portal, themes on UI, so anything that okay. Come on. It took time, so still like no, it's waiting for some changes, banner text and everything would be there. Okay, so we will not waste on time on this. We will check on this and I'll get back to you. Okay, so then they go board. Hmm. So let's say some, I'll copy that too. It's now I'm making the changes into the theme label, means whatever the themes applied. So Might be that will be the another part of exercise which should be there, but okay, let's say one thing. I'll deactivate the cobalt. Correct. Now see what will be the outcome. No, there's no issue at all on the theme was. Okay, so I'll activate it, update it. Let's see now. Now it should be applied. Okay. Okay, I'll check it out because it should apply, but if it didn't apply, why? I need to find out. Okay, it's my end, or might be like no, yesterday logo was not showing, it taking like time, it's updated and now it's showing. Correct. Yesterday I was trying to search it out. So okay, so preferences. So dark and default thing. So there is multiple ways. It's a two thing, but we can make the changes into the what we can say into the colors what you are seeing here. Correct. So those color can be like it can be changed, but it's not updating. We need I need to find out. Okay, it's at my end why it's not applying, or it's applying then why it's not appearing. Correct. Because at the configuration level it should apply. Correct. Whatever the changes I made, it everything should be clear and clear out. So something it's missing out or something is happening at the back end, so definitely I'll check it out, but definitely I believe so it will apply. Okay, so see like no, on the next one. Let me okay okay okay, so I'll restart the class. Okay, let it be. I'll check it out and I'll let you know. So